In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a LearnSphere workflow component to assign partial credits to multi-selection step. First, you need two import files. The first import file is a DataShop transaction. The second one is a map file. Let's run them and take a look. This transaction export contains only 3 transactions. As you can see, the second transaction is a multi-selection step. The student selected A, B, C, D, and he got it wrong. And I want to point out that for this data set, the problem hierarchy has 3 levels: sequence, unit, and module. Let's take a look at the map file. The map file is a tab delimited file, and it should contain the same problem hierarchy: sequence, unit, module, and then problem name, step name, and 2 extra columns: selections and correct answers. So in this example, the multi-selection step has 4 selections, A, B, C, D, and the correct answer is B, C, D. The workflow component you need is in the transform category and is called multi-selection converter. Let's run it and take a look. As you can see, the multi-selection step is converted into 4 steps: A, B, C, D, and the students gets A wrong and then correct for B, C, D steps. And this component also added an extra column called event type. So the first 3 steps, he gets assess, and the last one is assess and instruct. For the next step, you can do either of the following. You can download the result file and import it back into DataShop as a dataset, or you can run a result. You can run the result file to another component, which is called transaction aggregator. And transaction aggregator is also in the transform category. Transaction aggregator can aggregate DataShop transaction into DataShop student step rollup. Let's run it and take a look. multi-selection step is still here, A, B, C, D. And the opportunity, they got the same opportunity count because opportunity count is incremented if the previous event type has instruct in it. So this is how to use LearnSphere workflow components to handle multi-selection steps.